Welcome to the world of KNX, where powerful home automations begin with ETS, the engineering tool software. In this video, I will show you where you can get ETS 6 and how to download it on your computer. ETS 6 is a completely new generation of smart automation software. It's a manufacturer-independent configuration software tool to design and configure KNX smart home buildings, automations, installations. So now follow me. First of all, visit our website myknx.org. You need to create a MyKNX account. Click here to sign up and fill in your personal information, your email address, your password, your name, surname, etc. Once you're connected, on the homepage, click on See All Versions button. On the ETS product page, you'll discover a range of different versions of ETS software. Select your version. Congratulations, you have now ETS from KNX. If you haven't acquired a license yet, don't worry. You can still explore the software by running it in demo mode. Although some actions may be limited, you can find all links in the description.